Well, it's time now to take you live once again to the venue of the South Asian Games, the 12th South Asian Games in Guwahati, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is addressing the gathering.
Governor Shriman V. Shanmuganathan, Mukhyamantri Shriman Dr. Mukul Sangma, मंत्री परिषद के मेरे साथी सर्बानंद जी सोनवाल, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी, राज्य के मंत्री श्रीमान अजीत सिंह, delegation from SAARC countries, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I feel privileged and honored to be among sportspersons from our neighborhood and brothers and sisters from SAARC countries. I welcome all of you to India, a country known for its culture of Atithi Devo Bhava. And to this beautiful city of Guwahati, known for its hospitality and love for sports. What moves me today is your electrifying presence, full of excitement and enthusiasm for this important international sports event on the banks of the mighty Brahmaputra. Guwahati has come a long way since the days of Prayag Jyotishpura in ancient India. It is now a modern and vibrant city and a hub of all economic activities in the northeastern region of India. Young people in Northeast and especially here in Assam do not miss any opportunity to witness a good football match. This fame has spread also far and wide that FIFA World Cup under 17, which will be hosted first time in India in 2017, has chosen Guwahati as a prime venue for the event. This sports meet, for me, signifies a perfect blend of three T's: teamwork and togetherness and talent. Among us is the best and most youthful talent from across South Asia. You are a proud member of your team. It can be your team of the sport you play and a larger team of the nation you are representing. And at the same time, this meet also celebrates togetherness of all South Asian nations. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. No matter which country we are from, we all call South Asia our home. Sport has to be an essential part of an individual's life. A good game is both healthy and refreshing. All around development of the personality is incomplete without sports. Most importantly, sports bring with it the most vital sportsman spirit. Without sports, there cannot be any sportsman spirit. This sportsman spirit will not only help you on the field, but also in other aspects of your life. You will cherish whatever you learn on the sports field for your entire life. I always say, जो खेले वो खिले. The person who plays shines. The mascot of these games, Tikhor, represents a baby rhino who is sharp and intelligent. It captures the spirit of sports persons and young sports lovers. The theme song of this game is "Ye Prithvi Ek Kirangan, Kira Hol Shantir Pongan," sung by legendary late Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, a singer whose captivating voice left people spellbound. His song beautifully captures the spirit of South Asian Games, the spirit of peace, friendship, and prosperity. I have been told by Sri Sarbanandji Sonowalji that the organizing committee for the games has brought water from each of the 8 SAARC countries. And these waters will be merged to signify shared aspirations and cooperative spirit among the SAARC nations. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's song, "We Are in the Same Boat, Brother," which you are going to hear soon, is all about SAARC nations. We should join hands together as a family. Let us kindle the spirit of friendship to sprout in South Asian Games. My vision for South Asia is the same as my vision for India, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. All South Asian countries are partners in our journey towards development. We, the people living in SAARC countries, comprise 21% of the world's population and contribute 9% to its economy. As we gather today to cover the 12th South Asian Games, for 23rd sporting events covering both men and women, we bring sports persons from all SAARC countries to India's northeast and to this great city and a spirit of friendship, trust, and understanding. I'm sure that as the games proceed, this feeling of friendship, trust, and understanding will convert itself not only into sporting opportunities, but also into business and tourism opportunities as well. Let these games become a springboard for bringing peace and prosperity in the region through business, interaction, and sporting activities. Let this be an opportunity for SAARC people to realize their potential. Sportsmanship is a philosophy of life, harmonizing in a balanced whole. the qualities of endurance, will and mind, the challenge for performance, the joy of efforts, the cheer of success, the spirit of friendship and fair play in a sport arena speaks volumes about now how culture, education, ethics, dignity and society get intertwined with each other during such sports events. On the sports field, we can forget what separates us and we can truly connect with each other in the spirit of sportsmanship and adventure. We can celebrate our diversity and at the same time be united under common rules for our sports and the shared values of honesty and fair play. Let us play for peace. Let us play for prosperity. Let us play with full vigor and enthusiasm so that we remember these games even after they are over. The friendships you made from over these 12 days and the memories you take back will last you a lifetime. I am confident that you will cherish these bonds and become ambassadors for peace and friendship between our nations. While people play for medals and provide tough competition to each other, I urge the sports persons and visitors here to take time from their busy schedule to visit the places of tourism attraction and wonderful wildlife sanctuaries nearby. Once again, I welcome our friends from SAARC countries. Let the spirit of Gurukul prevail for 2 weeks in Guwahati as sports persons share with each other their best and take back great feeling with warmth and remarkable experience. Let the competition be in true sportsman spirit. May the best win. And now, I declare the 12th South Asian Games open. Thank you very much.
What a moment. The games have officially begun. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the torch of the games.
As tradition demands, we are now going to proceed towards a very important juncture of this evening, the torch relay. I would like to mention that the torch for the 12th South Asian Games is the world's first ever bamboo torch, which symbolizes the northeast of India. The torch is decorated with the colors of the flags of the 8 participating SAARC nations to showcase unity and sportsmanship. Starting its journey from New Delhi, the torch has traversed the 8 states of Northeast, commencing from Shillong to the abode of the clouds, Meghalaya. Onward to reach the Mahanagari of Guwahati. The torch then lit the streets of Agartala, the state of the Burman dynasty. Continuing its adventures to the land of bamboo, Aizawl, Mizoram. Finally making its debut in the beautiful city that gave us Mary Kom, Imphal. Receiving a grand welcome at the scenic hillside city of Gangtok. And then to Itanagar, the beautiful capital of Arunachal Pradesh. The torch then traveled across Sikkim and finally made its way back to the host state of Assam. And now it is here at Sarusajai Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium. Over the course of the month, the torch has touched over 9 lakh people and illuminated the northeast of India with the spirit of sportsmanship.
Knowledge and life. It is fueled by our proud partner of the moment, Indian Oil, the energy of India. And now we are so proud to welcome the torch here amongst us, to light the torch of the games. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to our first sports person carrying the torch into the stadium, our first runner, Gagan Narang, who is a famed Indian shooter. He was the first Indian to qualify for the London Olympics. He won the bronze medal in the men's 10 meters air rifle event at the 2012 Summer Olympics in London. He is also the participating sports person for this year's South Asian Games. Gagan is now passing it to Mona Lisa Barua Mehta to carry it forward. Mona Lisa is a renowned table tennis player of Assam. She received an Arjuna Award in 1987 and also 3 silver medals and 1 gold at the South Asian Games in Colombo in 1990. Please put your hands together for Mona Lisa Barua Mehta. Mona Lisa is now handing it over to Bhogeshwar Barua. He is a famous former Indian athlete and coach. He was one of the first Assamese to win a gold at an international event, winning a medal at the 1966 Asian Games. 50 years ago, ladies and gentlemen. That's Bhogeshwar Barua. Mr. Barua is now handing it over to Rani Rampal, captain of the Indian hockey team and participating sports person in South Asian Games this year. She is the youngest player of the national team which participated in the 2010 World Cup. All the best, Rani. We are sure you will do your country proud. She now passes it to Krishna Punia, the Indian discus thrower. She has won India a prestigious Commonwealth Games gold medal and we've awarded her the civilian honor of Padma Shri. That's Krishna Punia. Krishna now hands it to Anju Bobby George, the first Indian athlete to win a medal in a world championship in a long jump. That's Anju Bobby George carrying the torch to its penultimate destination. Anju Bobby George now hands it to Baichung Bhutia, the great Indian footballer from Sikkim who plays as a striker. Bhutia is considered to be the torchbearer of Indian football in the international arena. He is often nicknamed the Sikkimese sniper because of his shooting skills in football. Baichung will now soon reach the center where he will ignite a digital flame which will lead to the main cauldron of the 12th South Asian Games. The flame of which shall burn bright through the course of the Games. May I request Baichung to light the digital flame. We saw technology and life come together as Baichung Bhutia lit that glorious flame. The glorious flame of the torch of the 12th South Asian Games, which have now officially begun. बस कुछ ही समय में हमारा रंगारंग कार्यक्रम शुरू हो रहा है. Ladies and gentlemen, our cultural extravaganza is about to start very shortly. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, time to commemorate the spirit of sportsmanship.
I am the Rongkhor. For 600 years, I have witnessed the gallant display of sports. Sports that unite through the bonds of friendship and brotherhood. I am the true embodiment of the spirit of sports. Today, once again, I have come alive in my digital avatar. Together, we will witness another historic sporting extravaganza. Welcome to the 12th South Asian Games.
As we proceed, ladies and gentlemen, the moment has arrived to hoist the official flag of the Games. I would now like to request the Sashastra Seema Bal to kindly lead into the flag hoisting, accompanied by the official hymn of the South Asian Olympics Council.
There you can see the flag of the South Asian Games. It enters
Games towards the presidential box, the VIP dais, onto where it will be hoisted on the right of the stadium here, the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium, where it will occupy center space for the entire duration of these games.
Olympic Council of Asia का flag है क्या? Olympic
So it has got the rainbow colors, it's got that rising sun, which, if you might remember, for the Olympic Council of Asia, that is a symbol as well. So the South Asian Games very much part of the Olympic Council of Asia. So this flag has flown in Kathmandu for the first time in 1984, followed by Dhaka, Calcutta, Islamabad, Colombo, Dhaka again in 1993, Madras in 1995, Kathmandu in 1999, Islamabad in 2004, Colombo 2006, and the last time at Dhaka 6 years ago in 2010. So 8 flag bearers will be joined by 3 other members of the SSB, who will then hoist it on the center flag post, where it will be alongside the national flag of India. Alongside that will be the flag of the last edition of the games, which was Bangladesh, and Nepal, who will host the 13th edition of the games. So the flag of the South Asia Sports Council, the white flag with an arc of the kaleidoscopic rainbow colors as it goes up. Rajesh.
तब ध्वज दक्षिण एशियाई ओलंपिक काउंसिल का फहराया जा रहा है, जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं.
This is always a solemn occasion. They have a very nice anthem also, which will be played.
इसके बाद क्या है? ये देख रहे हैं.
So accompanied with the game's hymn as the flag will be hoisted.
Unity, our strength. Our skill shines through perseverance. SAOC will prosper through peace and stability. Keep our spirit high through sports forever. Our motto, peace.
So the South Asian Olympic Council flag alongside the Indian flag, and Bangladesh and Nepal, who will host the next edition of the game.
For the flag of the South Asian Games. Let us make a solemn promise to stay true to the spirit
Now,
of sportsmanship.
after the flag has been hoisted, another solemn ceremony will take place, which is the oath taking on behalf of all the competitors and the athletes. The 8 flag bearers of the countries will come and form a semicircle in front of, on top of the field near the track, where the captain of the Indian contingent shall take the oath on behalf of all the competitors for the 12th South Asian Games.
यहाँ पर प्रण लेने के लिए एक साथ हम सबकी एक प्रतिज्ञा होगी और उसे लेने का समय अब आ गया है. May I request the flag bearers to please move to the center. We can see the flags moving towards the central area.
Of all the SAARC member countries, the South Asian Games, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and India, as they come up to the top of the ground in front of the octagon, which is in the background. The captain of the Indian team, Saurav Ghoshal, will take the oath in just a moment.
तो इस तरह से 8 देश और उनके ध्वजारोही फिलहाल विराजमान हो रहे हैं. धीमी गति के साथ एक जगह एकत्रित होंगे और उसके पश्चात शपथ लेंगे भारत के कप्तान सौरव घोषाल, जो कि स्क्वाश खेलते हैं.
I would now like to request the Indian flag bearer to step up to kindly proceed with the oath.
In the name of all competitors, I promise that we will take part in these South Asian Games, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of sport and honor of our teams.
Thank you so much. Please put your hands
और
together.
इस शपथ के पश्चात एक बार फिर इंदिरा गांधी एथलेटिक स्टेडियम तालियों की गगाहट से गूंज उठा है.
For successfully conducting that oath-taking ceremony, I would now request the athletes to please exit the field of play as we are about to.
So the oath taken by the Indian captain, Saurav Ghoshal, the squash champion. And now the athletes will slowly march out from the central arena. They'll probably take their place inside the stadium to be part of the cultural celebrations as well, which will be the second part of the program. The first part is the ceremonial. Now the cultural part of music, dance, and a lot of color and riot will commence in a bit.
And fusion.
May I request the teams to finally leave the stadium as they exit the field of play. Kindly exit the field of play. We are about to commence with the game's anthem. सारे खिलाड़ी स्टेडियम में अपनी जगह ले रहे हैं. वो भी हमारे साथ इस रंगारंग कार्यक्रम का लुत्फ उठाएंगे. The athletes are taking their seats in the stadium. All the teams, the officials, taking their seats. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just waiting for the field of play to be cleared. And we will start with the anthem of the games. It is now time to hear the official games anthem, A Prithibi, A Krirangon, a song dedicated to the spirit of brotherhood and sportsmanship, sung by Assam's legendary musical maestro, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. It is coming alive today through the voice of acclaimed singer and composer, Mayuk Hazarika.
A Prithibi, A Krirangon. প্ৰস্তুত কৰিব আমাৰ অতি মৰমৰ অসম পুত্ৰ ময়ূক হাজৰিকা আৰু তেওঁৰ লগত আছে মেঘালয়ৰ সেৰেনিটি কয়। Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mayuk Hazarika and the Serenity Corps with a huge round of applause as they present the game's anthem.
শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ এই পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়া হল শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ এই পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়াঙ্গন যৌবন জ্যোতাজি জ্যোতির্ময় জ্যোতির্ময় অসুস্থ এলাহক এফুলিয়া করি জ্যোত জীবনৰ গতি হয় কর্মময় কর্মময় পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়া হল শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ এই পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়া হল শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ একতা ধ্যানতে তন্ব এই পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়া হল শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ এই পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়া হল শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ খেল ধেমালি নহয় নহয় মাথো প্রতিযোগিতা ক্রীড়া মাথো খেল ধেমালি নহয় নহয় মাথো প্রতিযোগিতা এক সুন্দর সবল জাতি গঠনত ক্রীড়াই করে সহযোগিতা এই পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়া হল শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ এই পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ চৌদিকে যত ভাঙনের চিন্তা মূল্যবোধ অবক্ষয় চৌদিকে যত ভাঙনের চিন্তা মূল্যবোধ অবক্ষয় নিয়মানুবর্তী ক্রীড়াবিদে করে অনন্ত জ্যোতিরে অক্ষয় অনন্ত জ্যোতিরে অক্ষয় অনন্ত জ্যোতিরে অক্ষয় পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়া হল শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ এই পৃথিবী এক ক্রীড়াঙ্গন ক্রীড়া হল শান্তির প্রাঙ্গণ
Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Big, big round of applause. तालियों के साथ एक बार फिर से ये स्टेडियम भर गया है आप लोगों के हर्षोल्लास के साथ। कितना लुत्फ उठाया आपने हमारे इस एंथम का। Our next segment brings alive the spirit of South Asian unity. Waters from each country flow seamlessly into the Indian Ocean to bind us together. Today we symbolically bring alive that unity by pouring water and creating a river of the South Asian Games. South Asia has the Himalayas in the north, the place where all these rivers find their origin before flowing into the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, and finally into the great Indian Ocean, signifying how we are related by the veins of water that run through us. We are not 8 separate countries. We are one unit bound together by these waters, flowing together into one ocean. Today, through the medium of sport, we unite as teams, as nations, as friends to build bonds of peace, progress and prosperity.
May I now request the flag bearers of the 8 South Asian countries and the children to pour water from the rivers of the 8 South Asian nations to form one river, the river of the South Asian Games. And the rivers are as following.
From Afghanistan, River Kabul.
From Bangladesh, River Padma.
From Bhutan, River Manas.
From India, River Brahmaputra.
And now water from the 4 other rivers. From Maldives, the Indian Ocean.
From Nepal, the River Kosi.
From Pakistan, River Sindh.
And from Sri Lanka, River Mahaveli. And here, ladies and gentlemen, is the river of the South Asian Games. This water will now be immersed back into the Brahmaputra.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this water will be poured back into the Brahmaputra as a symbol of our unity. And on the ground, you can see the digital recreation of this river of South Asian Games. Doesn't it look beautiful? Heartiest gratitude to the flag bearers and the children for setting into motion this river of the 12th South Asian Games.
With eminent singers Zubin Garg, Papon, Nahid Afreen, Lou Majau, Moyuk Hajorika, and the Serenity Corps. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring to you yet another tribute to the legendary Dr. Bhupen Hajorika, who spent a lifetime singing songs about peace and love.
On this river of the South Asian Games, Zubin, Papon, Nahid, Lumajao, Mayuk, and the Serenity Choir will present to you a gratifying performance on the classic song, Same Boat Brother.
Same boat, brother. We're in the same boat, brother. We're in the same boat, brother. We're in the same boat, brother. If you tip one and you gotta rock the other, it's the same boat, brother. Ami eke khonna hai jatri, ho jatri eke khonna hai. We're in the same boat, brother. We're in the same boat, brother. If you shake one end, you're gonna rock the other. We're in the same boat, brother. We're in the same boat, brother. If you shake one end, you're gonna rock the other. We're in the same boat, brother. We're in the same boat, brother. If you did one and you're gonna rock the other, it's the same boat, brother. Sea of space, what a place to launch this human race. What a place to launch this human race. So we built him a boat with a mixed up crew, with eyes all black and brown and blue. And that's the reason you and I have just one world and just one sky. Ami eke kom naure jati, ho jati eke kom naure. Ami eke kom naure jati, ho jati eke kom naure. Jodi সংঘাত হয় তেনে ধ্বংস হব গর্ব আমার প্রগতি। আমি একে kom naure jati, ho jati eke kom naure. Ami eke kom naure jati, ho jati eke kom naure. Lord looked down from his holy place, said, my, oh my, what a sea of space. What a spot to launch the human race. So we built him a boat for a mix-up crew, with eyes of black and brown and blue. And that's the reason that you and I got just one world and just one sky. We're in the same boat, brother. We're in the same boat, brother. If you shake one end, you're gonna rock the other. We're in the same boat, brother. 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 We're in the same boat, brother.
What a fantastic song. A big round of applause and thanks to all our artists. Zubin Garg, Papon, Nahid Afreen, Lumajao, Mayuk Hazarika and Serenity Choir for that fantastic performance which embodied brotherhood and friendship. The ties of friendship run deep in the Northeast, where 8 states live together in harmony. Each state has its own culture and ethos, its own indigenous sport, its own story. Unified as one, a microcosmic representation of the Indian democracy, known as the greenest belt of India, we like to call the Northeast the Emerald of India.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the story of the way of life in the Northeast will be brought alive through the sands from the banks of the river Brahmaputra in an eye-catching sand art performance by Rahul Arya. Complementing this will be a scintillating vocal performance by the Shillong Chamber Choir on O Moor Apunar Desh, the state anthem of Assam.
Ladies and gentlemen, a tribute to the magic of Northeast India. That was the Shillong Choir. What a wonderful performance, ladies and gentlemen. nation is so diverse, yet united. The land of beauty, splendor, peace, harmony and progress. We present to you the myriad hues of India.
sari sai sangi go please single loinana sentra chale kini 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 nangang kula 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 sentra chale kini 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 nangang tan chana yaire pungron sari jagoi thik na nauna ta dim down bisaka sakine yaire ta dim
Kacha logi ro hai Aku bagi jak ba Kantu kana jai Sampai ni You memang Kamu chala Kasih terkeba, jalan tinggal eh. Kalau boleh terkeba, mati tinggal eh. Kalau sudah kita, kurang boleh kita. Abri bis ni, jalan batas ni, batas ni, kirim turun eh. Kirim turun eh. Kosot eh. Acil keba, jalan tinggal eh. Aku bagi cakap, bantu kanu deh. Sampai ni, you memang, kamu salam,